What's good, YouTube? I'm Robert with the Crosscut Creations channel. Today we have a shop update because this is the last Thursday in June and we're already almost into July. It's crazy to think how quick this month has gone. So, what am I working on? I've been prepping for a festival. I know in previous videos I've kind of said that I wasn't gonna do craft shows, or I wasn't sure about craft shows. The truth is this one was marketed as a festival rather than a craft show, so the timing was right. So I decided to give it a shot. So I will be there at the festival this coming Saturday, a few days from now. So I've been prepping with pens, I've been prepping with other turned items, I've been prepping with clipboards and coasters and all kinds of items to take to that festival. So that's what I've been working on recently, in addition to some other small signs and other small projects, doing some design work, just off camera, things like that. Next, I want to update my sticker collection. I've got wood turning with Paul Lockwood. Paul, your sticker is in the mail. I have not forgotten. Look for that in the mail soon. Sorry it's taken so long to get it out to you, buddy. The next thing I have, if you guys haven't been following along with my YouTube channel, recently I've had a pen series going on. That pen series has a few different kits that I've introduced to the channel. I still have plans to do 2 or 3 more videos this coming month in July to continue the series. So if you want to follow along with that, make sure you get subscribed down here, I think it is. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video when I upload it. If you want to follow along there, that would be fantastic. Looking at my notes, I have some new items that I've been working on. I've been working on new pen kits, the Navigator, the Metro, the cigar pens. Those are all fairly new to me that have been in the series. Also, I've started turning bottle stoppers, and those have been a lot of fun because the possibilities are absolutely endless. You can design them however you want. I've also gotten into casting, so you can cast whatever colors you want. They've just been an absolute ton of fun. And finally, to end this shop update, I want to give my shout out to Steve Nealon over at Harneal Media. He's the guy who runs my website and keeps it up to date and basically helps me with that. So with that, Steve, thank you so much. Also with that, Steve also runs Makers Media Network, which is the shirt I have on now. It is a group of like-minded creators who try to promote each other. If you are interested in joining Makers Media Network, or you need website services, contact Steve Nealon. I'll have his information in the description. He's a great guy to work with, and I couldn't be happier. So thank you, Steve. Thank you for the community. Just thank you. If you like this video, make sure you give it the thumbs up. Make sure you comment. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you share the video, and we'll see you next time.